The concept of audiophile came to us due to a friend of mine who got this viral disease, which basically made him lose his hearing. And when we searched to find a solution for this, the only solution we found was a cochlear implant, which needs surgery to be placed and also is very expensive. So we decided to come up with this concept of creating a digital array which will transform the sound into motion, which could be felt on the skin. This is a unit we built so we can demonstrate what it will actually look like. It consists of an array of 10 by 10 pins. These pins vibrate according to the frequencies of the sound waves, which come in through a microphone, are digitized, and each pin will represent a particular frequency between the range of 200 Hertz and 3500 Hertz, which is basically the frequency of human speech. So as these pins vibrate, they actually feel like a graphic equalizer. You can place the device on your skin, either in the belly area or back area, and that will give the opportunity for someone who's wearing it to be able to feel the sound around them and be able to, after a little training, understand what people are saying around them. That will also give them the opportunity, when they repeat a sound, to be able to realize whether it's a correct sound or not. Let me tell you a little bit about the history of vocoders. Vocoders were researched a lot back in the 1930s, before the war, because they were used for communication purposes, for scrambling communications. Back in the 1950s and 60s, a lot of research was done on tactile vocoders, and they had great results. The problem with those systems was that they were mainly using large computers and large tactile systems to portray the feel onto the body. So they were not very useful with regards to being able to use in everyday life. It wasn't until the 1990s where the technology of making mobile small units became available, but that's also when cochlear implants were introduced. And due to the cochlear implants, all the research regarding tactile vocoders basically stopped. Cochlear implants are a great solution, but they have two drawbacks. The one drawback is the fact that you need surgery to implant it. The second drawback is that it's extremely expensive. The cost range is between $50,000 and $150,000. So a lot of people don't have access to this kind of money, so they can't install them. While the audiophile system we're planning on producing will range between $500 and $1,000, which is hopefully something that people will have more access to.